How to turn off Apple Music notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off the Apple Music notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are someone who uses Apple Music and then you receive quite a few notifications from it that you don't really like, and then you would like to turn off notifications for this Apple Music application here, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Because all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the settings application here and then simply go to notifications. And once you go to notifications, you can just try looking for the Apple Music application here. And if you do find the Apple Music app, that's perfectly fine. You can just go ahead and select that music application and turn off the toggle if you find them. Now in case you don't find it, then what you can also try to do is simply go to series suggestions, as you can find here. Once you go to series suggestions, you'll most likely find Apple Music, not in the form of Apple but in the form of music. So you'll find it in the M section, I'm trying to say that. So when you look for Apple Music app, you'll find them, and just turn off the toggle next to Apple Music and notifications for Apple Music will get disabled. This way you can disable or turn off Apple Music notifications. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.